Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Devin. Welcome back to the channel. This is my thank you 1,000 subscribers video y'all have chosen for me to do a day in the life. So we're about to get to it here. But isn't this such a great way to start off your day, eh? Alright, so it's about 6:40 a.m. I've been on my walk for about 10 minutes now, so I'm about halfway done. I usually walk a mile in the morning, every morning. I walk without any headphones because I want to hear Mother Nature as much as possible. Like, I know you'll hear cars, but I want to hear like the wind or the trees blowing, all that. And it just feels really good just to walk here in the morning, just to wake my body up. I also don't usually walk with my glasses on, just because I want as much sunlight in my eyes as possible. However, it is dark time. And let me tell y'all, there'll be some random cats just creeping, running past you out of nowhere. There'll be some dogs. I know I saw a husky last week. I was quite terrified seeing that husky not on a leash. It was really bad. So that's why I'm wearing my glasses now. But throughout the day, when I go on my walks or whatever I do, I won't wear my glasses. So I am back home now. Now I'm about to do my meditation, then my energized activity with my stretching. Let's get to it. Alright, I am done meditating. Today's session, it was a 12-minute one on cravings. It was powerful. Pretty much get curious on why you're having cravings before you reach for that piece of cake. Try to figure out why you're reaching for that piece of cake to see if there's something else going on here. Extremely powerful. You might be curious why I'm just sitting on this wall. Well, it is because the window is right here, and I'm not sure if you guys remember or seen the video, but pretty much I have a fear of being by windows. Trauma, I should say, childhood trauma. I was 11. Long story short, for those of you who don't know what happened, I went to my friend's house, spent the night, and these people tried breaking into their house, and they threw like a brick into their window, and I was like near it. So trauma. So I'm trying to slowly overcome my fear of being around windows, especially living room windows here, by meditating next to one.
Like, you're just stirring it, and then you're doing that internally for 15 seconds, then externally for the other 15 seconds. And this is just so great for the back. And there we go, warm up. After that, we're gonna just roll it around town, warming up those hips, baby. What else you can do? That even works better if you have those little 5 or 3 pound weights. Then after that, we got a nice little boxer shuffle. You don't have to do it like Muhammad Ali, the greatest of all time. You just bounce back and forth. Dang, where did that dog come in? Okay, yeah. And what we did was we alternated sides when we were doing it. So just do it here. And remember, if you're not as flexible as I am right here, then I'll show you what.
I should be on my way to work right now, but however, for that, you know what, the weekly test, my results have not came in yet, so I can't go to work, at least to the office. So I'm working from home today, so yay. So I'm at Walmart right now, just getting a few things here, like some almond milk, just for my magic spoon. My box has came in, so I'm doing my magic spoon review, which will be coming out soon. Bananas, yogurt, and some hamburger buns here, just because wifey and I are going to be having burgers for lunch since I get to stay home today and she works from home. So yay. Happy birthday, playa. I saw that you hearted my post on Facebook, so I thought I could give you a call now, but you might be at work, so I just wanted to say happy birthday to you, my handsome father. All right, so it is 9:15 a.m. I usually start eating breakfast around 9-ish, 10-ish. So I got some eggs with cheese on it. I'm about to throw on some of this like Whataburger picante sauce, or even like that Whataburger fancy ketchup. I got like that ketchup. And I got oatmeal. I haven't had oatmeal in a while. I have my protein, brown sugar protein powder in, so it's like an extra 20 grams of protein. And there, I realized my protein intake's probably been pretty low lately because I was trying to do more so low carb, and that just did not work out for me the way I was doing it, where I just pretty much went on like in a carb binge pretty much, just to be real. So my protein's been really low, so I'm trying to put more emphasis on eating a lot of protein. Okay, so it is like 12 o'clock right now. I am on break, and so my break, I am going to be doing some Mace training here, which this is like the ultimate goal, right? Like you hold it up. The goal is just you trying to hold this like steady. They can't do that, right? That whole like whoosh and all that stuff. I can't do that with a 10 pound. So I have other variations that I want to build up to, or our variations, I should say, to build up to the 10 pound. Like here is a 5 pound one, you know. So this is a 5 pound mace. I also have here to work also on the 10 pound mace. I have a club here. So I have a 10 pound club, and right now, because this is like my first day pretty much training with maces and clubs, because I want to be a badass, like a warrior. So I have a 5 pound mace here, and there's someone like I'm following, like I'm watching their videos on how to get better at it. So it says first up one is to have like a 90-degree angle. You just go up and then back. So you do that for 8 to 10 reps. And this is all I'm going to be doing here. And then I'm just going to be switching sides. Also, if you do mace training, please let me know if any tips and tricks you have, because I always thought this stuff was so cool. Something else they said is just to learn, or get comfortable with it. So like a overhand, underhand, and then just to get some kind of familiarity with the mace here. All right, so right now I'm walking outside, see, without any kind of glasses. It feels really good out here. Way better than inside, to be honest. I'm on my lunch right now, and we're not busy, so I'm just walking. Usually I actually like to walk during my breaks and my lunches, just to get more vitamin D. Like I said, walking outside, not to be sitting down all day long, just because I have a desk job. So just walking. I should be about 2.5 miles in for the day after this little walk here. And yeah, lunch should be like an hour. So I know I'm on lunch now, but like I said, we're not really doing anything today. So me and the wife will finally have those plant burgers, because surprisingly they taste pretty damn good. Okay, so I get to Gold's Gym, right? And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna work out. And I think they're closed right now. Like, no, they're closed. So I'm at this other Gold's Gym here. It's so huge, super huge. So apparently they're doing renovations at my Gold's Gym, so they said we can use this one here. But this shit is like 20 minutes away. Like, it's like a half an hour from where I live, and like 20 minutes from the gym I go to, or my Gold's Gym. So it's gonna be a really quick workout. It's gonna be kettlebells and rowing. So let's get to it. All right, it is 8:45 right now, and I am tired. I'm exhausted from the gym. I had a great workout though, the rower, kettlebells. I'm getting really into kettlebells, so you might see kettlebell workouts here on this channel. I'm really into kettlebells. I think they're a lot of fun, and works a lot of like your, your core and stuff like that. Also, good news, I did get in my 3 miles. Got 3.2 miles in for the day also as well. So I'm pretty much done here for the day. I'm so exhausted. I just want to sleep. Like, have you ever been so exhausted you don't even want to shower? You just want to lay in bed. That's the feeling right now. But I gotta shower and finish editing this video. That way it can be out for y'all to see. Tuesday will be tomorrow. So I say thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I do also want to say any other suggestions you guys have for the channel you will want to see, let me know. Real quick here, I just want to show y'all real quick. I got magic spoon here. Let me not dox myself here, but it's not open yet. So that is coming soon. Have a good night, or I'm tired. Y'all have a good morning. Wherever y'all watching this, just have a good day. Morning, night, whatever. Have a good one. Catch you the next one. Peace.